The relationship between a sleep and your overweight. Friends, many times in many ways we ignore the simple things which we can apply in our life and which will take our lifestyle into the next phase, and sleep is one of them. Many of the time the people who are trying to lose their weight, they are not getting the proper results on the proper time just because they are not having a good sleep in their life. Sleep is not only a good medicine for your tensions, but it will also give boost to your energy, and it can help you out to achieve your fitness journey in a very smoother way. And if you're not having a good sleep, then it can be a problem in your weight losing journey. Hi, my name is Bhupendra. I'm an online fitness coach, I'm a lifestyle expert, and I help people to reduce their stubborn fat. I help them to achieve their dream personality. I give them the tools so that they can build their extraordinary lifestyle. Friends, I still remember those days when I was very young and I used to believe in the night outs. On that time, I used to had the plan for the night, but I do not have any plan for the next day. And those very habits gave me dark circles, bad group, bad friends of bad group of friends, and I was not healthy in my early 20s and in my good age when a person should be on the top of his health. But because of the poor habits, I was not able to achieve the peak of my health on that time. Friends, when I became 33 years old, on that time I decided that how to make a change. The first thing which I started to doing is, which has boosted me so much, and even quitting sugar comes after that. The first thing which I did, that I slept early and I started waking up early. It was the key point for me which has made me change. Earlier, I used to, when I used to go in my corporate office, on that time I used to wake up at 9 a.m. After that, I used to reach my office at 10 a.m. and it was the starting day for me. But since then, I have started waking up very early in my morning. The many things has been starting change. The first thing which I have seen, that the once I have started waking up early in the morning, after that I have decided that now I will quit the sugar and I will see the changes into me. And the thing has started changing for me because I was able to give time to myself in mornings. Friends, still if you are in a weight losing journey, and still whenever I am on my weight losing, on that time I usually take care of my sleep, that what kind of sleep I am having. So if I'm not having a good sleep on next day, I do not calculate my weight on my weighing machine, because I know the 100 and 200 gram will be more because I did not have the good sleep. So once I have the good sleep, only then I go on the weighing machine and check my real calculation, that how much is my real calculation. Because whenever we are not having a good sleep, there is a hormone which is known as tension hormone, which is known as cortisol. It usually uprises, and whenever it uprises, it usually preserves the water into our body. That's why we do not get the right calculation on our weighing machines. So if you are connect with this, then do not have any problem. Once you're going to get the good sleep, then definitely you will see the changes in your weighing machine also, and 100 to 500 gram in a first week without doing any dieting or workouts. Friends, if you want to have the good sleep, then the three key areas which you need to work. The first of all thing, the key area which you need to work is the sleep routine. The sleep routine, you must be having a sleep routine. Try to brush your teeth, try to wear a different pajama in your evening, and try to do something else in your life. I have a mentor, his name is Amol Karale, and he has given me that how to wake up early in the morning, and I have used some of the tricks, that the how to apply the sleep routine in my life, and it has impacted me so much. I sleep fresh, so you can also apply these things into your life. The second thing which you need to do, that you need to have a goal in your day, and the sleep is should be one of them. You need to plan that how you're going to eat in your whole day, but you also need to plan that what time you're going to sleep, because you need to sleep early. And for me, the key to achieve your fitness is to sleeping between the 9:30 p.m. to 10:30 p.m. is the right time for you to sleep, so that you can wake up early in the morning, and it is the right time for your tension hormone to get down. So this is how you can make the changes. The third thing which you need to apply is that if you are having a sleep routine, if you are having a goal, now definitely you must have an early dinner. If you are able to achieve this thing, then half of your health problems will be resolved automatically. The first thing is this, that you are automatically going to do the intermittent fasting, which means that you are going to take a fast break early. It means that if you are consuming your dinner at 7 p.m., then after that, from 7 to morning 7 a.m., there is a 12 hours of break. But if you are consuming your dinner at 10 p.m. and again you are consuming your breakfast at 8 a.m., then the timing between the meals are less. So that's why it can be a problem. So if you want to adapt these things into your life, then definitely you will see the magic in your life. Friends, if you connect me in any of this, then you can connect me into my Facebook group also. I have created a group so that I will update you with the future topics of the health. And link I'm giving you in the description. You just need to join it. If you want to lose your weight, and if you want to start your health, if you want to start your weight loss journey, then I usually help people to reduce their weight not in the months but in the days. So if you connect with me in any of this, then feel free to message me or contact me directly. This is Bhupendra signing out for now, and I know that you all can do it. You all just need to know your fitness.